In past 15 years, Mindscan carried a many healing works in a society. Can you tell me what's the projection and vision of Mindscan in future 2025?
One of the main visions of Mindscan is to help individual to self-heal with the processes of self-healing, meditations, journaling, spiritual work, and evolution of consciousness. That's the thought transformation to the higher frequency rays and processes of higher evolution, which involves the core work at the mind level. So the projection further as we go ahead, Mindscan is been helping human consciousness in various cities in India and also globally and main countries like that of Dubai, Singapore and other states. So the main aim of Mindscan is to help in the human consciousness evolution by carrying out self-work, trauma work, emotional work, ancestral generational work or deep core connected work that helps them to bring freedom into their life and their consciousness. So, in the higher vision of this purpose, Mindscan has got teachers in about 7 particular places like that of Dubai, Singapore, and 5 states in India. So, the main aim is that the teacher continues to help individuals find resolutions to their inner blocks through the various guided activities that has been the mainstream program of Mindscan since 15 plus years. So, in the further understanding, 2025 is a year of further evolution, further rise, further hope, and the strength for human consciousness to rise in the strength of the lights. So, the vision is to continue to grow in the larger level, helping more individuals to know about the natural path connected with healing and how their mindfulness transformation can bring productive yield and resolution to their health, to their mind, to their life, to their career, to their goals, to their future vision, and spiritual consciousness. So, if you're on a journey to connect with self healing or to bring resolution to your life stage, we recommend you to join Mindscan, the ever evolving consciousness, which has become a huge project of human evolution. So, thank you.